When Pell City homeowners begin planning a window replacement project, one option continues to rise above the rest in popularity: vinyl windows. Known for their durability, energy efficiency, and low-maintenance design, vinyl windows have become the go-to solution for homeowners who want long-lasting performance without unnecessary upkeep or high costs. Whether you live in a newer neighborhood or an older Pell City home in need of updates, vinyl windows offer advantages that appeal to a wide range of household needs and budgets. Here's why so many Pell City residents are choosing vinyl windows for their home upgrades. Exceptional energy efficiency for southern weather. Pell City experiences a mix of hot summers, mild winters, and high humidity. These changing conditions can make indoor comfort more challenging, especially in older homes with aging windows. Vinyl windows are engineered with insulated frames and advanced glass options that help keep your indoor temperature stable year-round. Most vinyl windows come with multi-chambered frames that reduce heat transfer, keeping cool air indoors during the summer and warm air inside during the winter. When paired with low-E glass and argon gas insulation, vinyl windows dramatically improve energy efficiency. Homeowners often notice immediate reductions in energy bills because their HVAC systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Low maintenance, no painting, staining, or refinishing needed. One of the biggest reasons Pell City homeowners prefer vinyl windows is their low-maintenance design. Unlike wood windows that require regular sanding, staining, or painting, vinyl windows maintain their appearance with minimal effort. They do not peel, chip, or fade easily, even in the Alabama sun. A quick wipe with soap and water is usually all that's needed to keep vinyl windows looking fresh. For busy families, retirees, or anyone who prefers a hassle-free solution, this feature alone makes vinyl windows an excellent investment. Cost-effective without sacrificing quality. Vinyl windows offer one of the best combinations of affordability and performance in today's window market. They are typically less expensive than wood or fiberglass windows, but they still provide impressive insulation, strength, and longevity. For Pell City homeowners looking to upgrade multiple windows at once, or replace windows in an older home, vinyl provides a budget-friendly way to achieve modern performance benefits. Even at a lower price point, high-quality vinyl windows can last for decades when professionally installed. Durable enough to handle Pell City's climate: heat, humidity, rain, and sunlight can take a toll on many window materials. Vinyl windows, however, are designed to withstand harsh weather without warping, rotting, rusting, or corroding. Their moisture-resistant properties make them especially valuable in regions like Alabama, where humidity levels often run high. Because vinyl doesn't absorb moisture, it resists mold growth, swelling, and frame distortion, issues that commonly affect older wood windows. This makes vinyl one of the most durable and reliable window options available to Pell City homeowners. Stylish options that enhance curb appeal. Vinyl windows are no longer limited to one or two basic styles. Today's manufacturers offer a wide range of colors, grid patterns, interior and exterior finishes. Window styles such as double hung, casement, slider, picture, and bay. This flexibility allows Pell City homeowners to match their window design to their home's architecture, whether it's a traditional Southern-style house, a ranch home, or a modern build. With so many customizable features available, it's easy to enhance your home's curb appeal and interior beauty. Improved home value and long-term ROI. Because vinyl windows deliver energy savings, long-lasting performance, and visual appeal, they also boost the overall value of your home. Replacement windows are consistently ranked as one of the top home improvement projects, offering strong returns on investment. Whether you plan to stay in your Pell City home for decades or may consider selling in the future, new vinyl windows help your property stand out. Final thoughts. Vinyl windows have earned their place as the most popular choice among Pell City homeowners, and with good reason. They combine durability, energy efficiency, easy maintenance, affordability, and modern design options into one dependable package. If you're considering a window replacement, Vinyl windows offer a smart, long-term investment that keeps your home comfortable, attractive, and efficient year-round.